Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I want to share with you some amazing deals over at Home Depot. And what really spurred me to make this video today is the special buy of the week this week is actually pretty good. Sometimes it's trash. This time it's actually pretty good. Definitely the best special buy of the week for 2022. So we're going to look at that, and then we're going to look at some other Home Depot deals. I'll have everything linked down below. First, we're looking at this Milwaukee M12 Fuel Brushless Hammer Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit, and it comes with the Fuel Impact Wrench. And this is the 3/8 inch wrench. It's currently part of that Pro Special Buy of the Week for $279. And to give you some perspective here, normally if you were just any random time saying you wanted to buy this kit over here, you would pay about $179 for it. And also this impact wrench is a bare tool. The most typical price, not catching some special sale promo or whatever, is going to be $179 also. So for $100 more, you're getting both, saving about $79 if you can use both pieces. Again, a hammer drill, the impact wrench, and the impact driver. You're also getting a couple of batteries to go with it, the charger and the bag, obviously. So $279 on that one. Very similar deal here, also part of the special buy of the week. This time we're going to pair that combo kit with the cutoff tool. Now that is a lower value tool, but also the price is $20 cheaper than the last deal we saw. So $259 again for that kit and the cutoff tool. Overall, it's probably not as good of a value as the first deal we looked at, but it really depends what tools you need. Personally, I'd love to have this cutoff tool, and once I wrap up this video and everything, I'm going to do some eBay searches and see if I'd be money ahead selling off pieces of that kit and then keeping the cutoff tool, or if it just wouldn't be worth the time and effort, but I'd really like to have the cutoff tool. Next up, we have a Ryobi deal. It's the 18-volt cordless full-size glue gun kit that's going to come with a 1.5 amp hour battery, the charger, and a whopping 3 glue sticks. Normally $69 down to $39. All this stuff comes with free shipping, by the way, so as we can see, it's 43% off for the special buy of the week. Maybe a year ago or so, I would have poo-pooed a cordless hot glue gun deal, but in that time, I bought one from Tack Life back before they got banned from Amazon, and I have found myself to use that much more often than I expected when I first got it. It really comes in handy to have around. So anyway, and of course, anytime you can make any tool you own and you can use a cordless version, it's just amazing because cords are incredibly annoying. I was just getting out the battery chargers for the Mustang, the Corvette, and the Caprice. I know I'm late, should have done it 2 months ago. But I was putting the trickle chargers on them, and they were all wadded up in a drawer with all their cords. I'm like, oh. The amount I despise cords is in excess enough to where it could probably be described as a mental health condition. I hate cords. Anyway, I think it's a good deal at $39. You're getting the battery, you're getting the charger, and a tool that you may end up using more than you think. Still sticking with the special buy of the week deals, which, by the way, they're going to be good till next Monday because Mondays are when these things reset, but they can sell out. There was actually a rigid deal that I was going to share with you guys initially, but it's already sold out. So, you know, some stuff will sell out, most of it won't, but the best deals might not last the whole week. This one is the Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Alloy Steel Screwdriver Bit Set, 72-piece set. You're also getting that right angle drill adapter. And if you're a DEWALT fan, I'll have their version of this deal here in a second. Normally $63.67, now $32.97. Getting all those different bits and that right angle adapter. Now, all of those posts on my website have a link just below the Buy Now button that will take you to the full list of special buys for the week, so you can scroll through and see if anything blows your hair back. But $109, you get the 2 batteries and the multi-tool's not a bad deal. There's really a lot of things that are good. Maybe not a ton of amazing, little amazing, not a ton of amazing, but there's a lot of good if you look through it here. And like here's the M12 kit with the oscillating tool, $159. Here's that kit we were looking at. Here's the cutoff version we saw. We have a bunch of the M18 things where you can pair it with different tools. There's one specifically I wanted to show you that I'm not seeing right now. We'll maybe get to it, or maybe I missed it. $129 for the screwdriver, cordless screwdriver, and the oscillating tool there. We have some Ryobi deals mixed in here. $99 for their impact wrench and cordless ratchet. $89 for the light kit. We have this little hobby kit with a soldering iron and everything for $99. The glue gun we talked about. We have some rigid deals. This rigid deal I like a lot because you're getting the impact wrench, a light, and an inflator for $109. If you're in Rigid's lineup, I think that's a really good deal for you. Few DEWALT deals, not a whole lot as far as the power tools. There's also some hand tools we're going to get to, but $199 for the impact wrench, the 4 amp hour battery and charger is not a bad deal there. Here's that, I wanted to show you this Rigid at $59, getting the drywall cutout tool with the 2 amp hour battery and the charger all for $59. That was a really good deal that sold out pretty quickly. Getting into some of the hand tools and accessories they also have available. Here's that Milwaukee kit we looked at. The pry bar and pick set, $59. We got the oscillating tools for $24.97. We're going to look at another set of those. I'm actually not sure. I didn't pay enough attention to see what the differences are and what's included, but we'll get to it here in a second. We also have a different deal for a Milwaukee camo knife like that coming up. And we saw at Ace Hardware, they have the Milwaukee deal for these two knives with a 50-pack of blades. If you look at the Ace Hardware deals or look at my Ace Hardware video, you will see that. And the last section was garage storage, which I didn't pay 1 ounce of attention to, but it's there. Now we're going to get into some deals that are not part of that special buy of the week that I had previously posted and are still valid, so I wanted to bring it to your attention since we haven't specifically done a video on these items before. Well, we have the Ryobi 18-volt 3-tool combo kit. You're getting a 4 amp hour battery and the 1.5 amp hour battery. It's $159, which by itself would be a pretty good deal, but then we're also getting a free tool to go with it. And you can see we have a pretty good selection of bare tools to choose from. Now this knife isn't exactly the same as the one that was included for the special buy of the week, but pretty similar. It's the Milwaukee Fastback Camo stainless steel folding knife, 2.95-inch blade. Normally $20, on sale for $12.97. It does come with free shipping. If we look at some of the comparables, Acme Tools has it for about $20, Zorro $20, and Northern Tool $20. This is a deal that has gone in and out of stock. Just last week when I looked at it, it was out of stock, and as you can see now, at least right now, it is back in stock. Part of the gift center stuff that came out before Black Friday, but Husky Accessory Set, 19-piece. You see you get all the extensions, you get some adapters, you get some universals, you get the little bit holder adapter, you get the bendy extension, which I've never used one like that. I'm kind of curious about them. I wonder how much pressure you can really put on that thing. But a nice little set. 19-piece, normally $40, down to $25, so saving yourself $15 on that. Same thing with this deal. It originally came out, I believe, right around or a month before Black Friday. Everything at Home Depot came out early, but still, whatever. Husky double speed adjustable wrench set. It's a 3-piece set. Right now, it is not available for free shipping, for home shipping or whatever. Just like the last item, they go in and out of stock, so it's worth checking on it. Or you can buy online, pick up in store. Normally $25, down to $12.97 for the 3-piece adjustable wrench set. I thought this was a pretty interesting take on the mechanic sets that we see pretty often in different forms. Here's the Husky mechanic tool set in Connect trays, 270 piece, normally $179, now a special buy at $99, and it does have free shipping available. You're getting all the ratchets, a bunch of bits, some nut drivers there, the extensions, looks like a spark plug socket or two, some hex keys and wrenches, and a ton of different sockets there, all in their own individual trays. You could then plop into a toolbox. Here's the DEWALT version of the Milwaukee thing we saw earlier, the DEWALT Max Fit steel screwdriving bit set with right angle adapter, 36-piece set, currently a special buy at $14.88, and you get free shipping. The right angle adapter is worth more than $14.88 itself, so then you're also getting all the bits, so pretty good deal there. Here's another one that currently isn't available to buy online and have shipped to your house, but you can pick it up in store. You can see a store near me has 12 in stock, so it is available and you can find them. $99. Again, this price has been going on for a while, but still a really good deal for a portable set. You got 270 pieces, a bunch of ratchets and sockets and wrenches. It is nice that it's in a little box like that, but let's see, does it say... It's funny, we got product depth, width, height. I was looking for weight, because I bet this thing's pretty heavy. I mean, it's portable in the sense that you can put it in a case and you can move it around, but it's not something you really want to be moving around all day long. I don't see a weight. Here we have a little Ryobi Black Oxide Hex Shank Drill Bit set. It's a 15-piece set, normally $15 down to $7.97. Comes with free shipping. Now, we have seen some pretty good DEWALT deals over the last couple of weeks for drill bits, deals that I would think are a little bit better, but those have come and gone, are no longer available. So if you missed out, this isn't a bad deal, but hopefully a bunch of you guys were able to take advantage of those DEWALT deals we saw in the past, because they were really good. Now, here's that other Milwaukee oscillating blade set. It's also a 5-piece set, normally $40 down to $19.88. And you'll see in the graphics here, in this set, you're getting 2 of the titanium blades, and if we look at that special buy of the week set, you got 1 titanium and 1 carbide teeth blade. So those are your differences. Otherwise, these blades look like they're the exact same thing. Now here's an item that we have seen for several years. I believe in 2018 or 2019, somewhere around there, it was really stocked up. It was a big promotion for Home Depot as far as their holiday sales, and I believe at that time the price was $49 for this Husky 3/8-inch drive 12-volt cordless ratchet. It has an internal battery. I believe that's a barrel connector that plugs into it, and what I like most about it really is the price. $59.97 for a cordless ratchet is a pretty good deal. I would prefer a battery that is detachable so that you could be charging one while using the other. And we have seen the price come down quite a bit from Amazon tool brands when they run promos on different cordless ratchets. But if you want to stick with a name you know and a store you can just drop into, this Husky one at $59.97 is not a bad deal. So there it is, guys, the latest amazing deals over at Home Depot. Be sure to check out that special buy of the week. Lots of good stuff, worth skimming through, seeing if you can find anything. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.